Okay. Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I have friends, ma'am.
Okay, so always remind yourself that you come to work here and not to find or to meet up your friends, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I want to experience the culture, the food, especially the Malaysian people because I heard from my friend that Malaysian people are very nice and kind.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. My name is Geneva Di Maculangan. I am 30 years old, single. I live in San Fernando, Pampanga, here in the Philippines. I am college level, taking culinary arts in Xavier International College of Arts and Technical Sciences. I have 6 sisters and one younger brother. I am very positive person, happy. Um, I am kind, especially to the little ones. I have an experience as a house helper since 2022 to this year 2025. My duties are cleaning the house, cooking, do the laundry. I serve 6 people in the house. One is 1 year old baby boy and the other one is 80 years old elderly man. I also help them to take care of baby and Lolo Do, who's 80 years old.
Okay, so a very good introduction, Geneva, but I would like to let you know, or I would like to know some few more details from you first. Do you have children?
I don't have ma'am.
Okay, so when is your birthday?
July 30, 1994.
What is your height and your weight?
142 centimeter and 52 yung weight.
Okay, so 4'8" in height, is it in feet?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you that so short or not so?
I am short, ma'am.
Okay.
5'8".
Okay, so
I
your weight is 55, is it?
Yes po.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
What is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
No problem later, ah.
Yes, ma'am.
So do you know what are you up to? You will going to work as a domestic helper. It is not a very easy job. It is a very tough job, okay? So you need to get ready yourself because you might experience those things that you didn't experience in the Philippines. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to be flexible and you need to be multitasking, okay?
Yes,
According to your profile, you have a working experience, as you have mentioned a while ago. You have a working experience way back 2022 to 2025 for 3 years, and you finish your contract in the Philippines. You told me that you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, ironing, and you also take care a child which is 1 year old, and you also take care a male elderly which is 80 years old, correct?
yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you decided not to continue working to this employer?
I finished my contract, ma'am, because I want to go to Malaysia so I can save more money po.
Okay, so, but as I have mentioned many times, okay, you need to be flexible because there is no such a thing that you will just do house chores only inside the house, okay? Houses here is no joke. It's a very houses. It's a very, very big houses, okay? So you need to get ready yourself. Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare?
Filipino food, pasta, snacks, desserts. I also bake po.
Okay, so are you willing to learn some new recipes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. As I have mentioned, you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time with the agency, has nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, but if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Which means in our contract right now, you have 1,800 ringgit, but if you will work, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. I am very excited po.
Okay. As long as you agree, then you could come. Please work properly and don't give us trouble. But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or maybe find other job opportunities into other countries, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because we don't force people to come here. It's you are the one who apply here in Malaysia because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to have a better future for yourself also, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is your first time working abroad. How will you gonna fight your homesickness later?
First, I will make myself busy. I will do cleaning more, and I will always think positive for my family.
Okay, always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, okay? As I have mentioned, in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia or in any other countries, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves. We need to respect the employer, respect the culture. Always say good morning, good afternoon, okay? Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. Geneva, it was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay po.
Thank you
Thank you
so
po.
much and have a good day. Bye.